Model, 2013 Fiat FIORINO Cargo 1.3 automatic low mileage long MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 85,588. MOT, the 21st of October 2024. Engine, 1248 cc 199A 9000, E5, E. Transmission, automatic, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. Automatic gearbox pulls through all gears as it should. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van very well looked after. Features, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp